Shrek. Robert, I see you. Oh, look at those eyes.
You gonna take one or not?
No, I'm videotaping you.
Oh, you're recording me.
Oh, yeah. Say something. Hi.
Have a good day.
Yes?
Zion.
Are you chilling?
Yeah, I'm relaxing.
Do you like people staring at you?
I don't mind that, but if a live human being was in there staring at me, I'd probably get up and look right at their face.
Like
hey,
this?
what do you want, motherfucker? You're going to jail, motherfucker.
Are you excited about getting married?
Yeah. I just want to get through this shit.
Then you'll be my permanent hostage.
I don't care to do all them little hoops. You know, we gotta read that pamphlet and fucking answer quick.
I'm gonna make you my permanent hostage.
Good.
Good?
You got the wrong hostage.
I love you.
I love you.